Hi everyone, welcome back. You're watching Math with Anila. We have already studied about finding the arithmetic mean by the direct method. In today's class, let's see how to find the arithmetic mean by shortcut method. The formula to find the arithmetic mean here is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fd by sigma f. And here the a is the assumed mean. And d is the deviation. So we have to find the deviation of assumed mean from all these x values. That is what d we are finding here. So d is equal to x minus a. Now in the previous case we had only three columns x, f as well as the fx value. But in this case we need there is one more column extra, that is d is equal to x minus a, and the other column is f into d. Now first we have to find the assumed mean from the given x values. Here there are 5 values. You can consider any one value x value as the assumed mean. If you consider the value which is at the center, not exactly at the center, but almost at the center, if you consider, your simplification will be easy. Or else however you take the value, you will be getting the same answer. So let's consider a as the assumed mean as 67. If you consider a as 67, let's find the deviation of the assumed mean from all these x values. First one is 65 minus 67, that is equal to minus 2. The next one is 66 minus 67, that is equal to minus 1. 67 minus 67 is equal to 0. 68 minus 67 is equal to 1. 69 minus 67 is equal to 2. These are the deviations what we are getting. Now let's multiply the frequency with the deviation to obtain FD. 8 into minus 2 is minus 16. 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. 4 into 0 is 0. 4 into 1 is 4. And 2 into 3 is 6. Now let's find the total frequency here. When you are adding all these values, you will get this as 25. And when you are adding all these FD values together, you will get this as, you'll get two negative numbers. First here you have to find the total, that is it is minus 22, and here the total is 10. This is minus 22 and this is plus 10. So the difference what you are getting is minus 12. So the sigma FD you are getting as minus 12. Then let's substitute in this formula and obtain the arithmetic mean. So we have assumed mean as 67 and sigma FD as minus 12 and sigma F is 25. Substitute the values, you'll get this x bar is equal to 67 plus minus 12 divided by 25. So that's equal to 67. This becomes minus, plus into minus is minus. 12 by 25 when you divide, you will get this as 0.48. So you will get this value as 66.52. This is your required arithmetic mean. Consider one more example. So this is in the class interval form. If a question is given in the class interval form, you have to first find the mid value of x. Mid value, as I have told you have to add the lower limit and the upper limit and divide it by 2. So let's find the mid x first. Mid value of x. So 35 plus 40 divided by 2, you will get this as 37.5 and this will be 42.5. Then the next is 47.5, 52.5 and 57.5. These are the mid value of x you are getting. Now the next is the deviation. As per the shortcut method, we have to find the deviation. D is equal to x minus a. The deviation of the assumed mean from the x values. Let's consider this 47.5 as the assumed mean. Now find out the deviation. X minus a. 37.5 minus 47.5, that is minus 10. And this will be minus 5. 42.5 minus 47.5 is minus 5. 47.5 minus 47.5 is 0. And 52.5 minus 47.5 is 5. And this will be 10. The difference between 47.5 and 57.5 is 10. So these are the deviations what you are getting. Now let's multiply the deviation with the frequency. So the other column is FD. 7 into minus 10 is minus 70. 6 into minus 5 is minus 30. The next is 0. Then 25. This is 30. Now let's find the total frequency. The total frequency what you are getting here is 30. And the FD values, this becomes minus 100 and this is 55. So the difference between these two is 45, that is minus 45. Since it is minus 100 is a greater number. Now let's substitute these values in the equation and solve it. X bar is equal to, the assumed mean is 47.5. 47.5 plus minus 45 divided by 30. That's equal to 47.5 minus, since plus into minus is minus, this becomes 1.5. Then when you subtract these two, you will get the value as 46. This is your arithmetic mean for the given distribution. Now this question is for you. Solve it and let me know the answer. Here this is given in the class interval form. You have to find the middex and then continue the same procedure to find the arithmetic mean, and you have to solve this question by the shortcut method. Let's continue with the next method in the next class. Thank you.